Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. So go for your Spotify app, then here you can see this is the premium option here. So click on it and go for get premium. And you can see here is the 1 month premium which is free. So you have to you can go for Spotify or you can go for this Google Play option. So I'm go for this Spotify option. So go for continue with Spotify. Okay, so now you can see here uh, you have to add your card number, expiry date, security code here. After that you have to just check this and scroll down and you have to click on buy now. So when you are click on the buy now, after that you can get the free premium for 1 month. After that you have to just pay for it, or otherwise you can cancel it any time in this 1 month. So guys, this is how you can get Spotify Premium for free. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.